Hello everyone, welcome to Rev Games Academy. In the previous video, we explored the introduction of 3D in Unity, focusing on basic objects like cubes, spheres, and planes. Today, we're taking it a step further and diving into the world of 3D models and materials. The materials define the appearance of those models by controlling their color, texture, and visual properties. Create 3D object and enhance their appearance using materials. We'll also explore how to create interactive effects by changing materials. So let's get started. First, create a cylinder 3D game object. I right-click in the hierarchy window, navigate to the 3D object, and select cylinder. The cylinder was successfully added to the hierarchy window. Now, adjust the camera angle. After that, I create a new material to enhance the appearance of the cylinder. Right-click in the project panel and choose Create, and then click the material to make a new material. The new material property is shown in the inspector. Name it something like Color Material. You can then adjust its properties, such as albedo for base color, and change the color metallic to make it look more or less metallic, and smoothness for how shiny or reflective it appears. These changes will affect how the material looks when applied to objects in your scene. To make your model interactive, you can create a script that changes its material based on user input, like hovering the mouse over it. Start by clicking the cylinder object, then add the script by using Add Component in the inspector. Click the new script and naming it Model Behavior. Click Create Mat. Now click and open the script in Visual Studio to begin coding the interactivity. Declares a public variable of type material. This allows you to assign a material. I have already created a material and changed its color. This material will be assigned to the reference in this script. Declares a variable named model design that will be used to access and control the visual appearance of a 3D object in Unity. Script retrieves and stores the render component of the game directive, which is responsible for rendering the object's material. When the mouse pointer hovers over the game object and triggering the on-mouse enter method, the script assigns a new material, referred to as hover material, to the model trail may. Save the code and return to Unity. Now drag and drop the created material. Click the play button at the top of the Unity window to test the hover effect. Move the mouse over the model to see the material change. Great. Today, we explored how to work with 3D models and materials in Unity, including adding interactivity through scripts. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Unity and discover more exciting features. See you there.